Did you know that many cloud migrations fail because of poor planning or unclear goals? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is my first video in series of videos about reality and tips and tricks of real cloud migration projects. My name is Alex, and I've been working in IT for more than 20 years, focusing on cloud migration, digital transformation for large global companies across the globe. In this series, I will share lessons and real stories from complex projects I've led, giving you ideas and tips that you can apply right away. This is not just another cloud tutorial. It's based on real experience. You'll see how large companies move hundreds of servers and thousands of applications from several data centers into the cloud. These systems are often built over many years. They are hard to maintain and expensive to run. Plus, when key team members leave a company, it's easy to lose knowledge, which increases the risk of failure, services outages, or even data loss. Before we proceed, if you find this content helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps grow our community and signals to YouTube that this channel provides valuable information. I very appreciate your help in sharing knowledge. In one of my biggest projects, we migrated over 600 servers and more than 1,000 applications to AWS in just 1.5 years, with almost no downtime. And we saved 20% of the expected cost. But what matters more are the lessons learned from many difficult moments. We faced tight deadlines, unclear systems, and sudden changes. In this video series, I'll walk you through different topics. How to understand your current IT landscape, key questions you need to ask your stakeholders before starting, how to choose a strategy that really works for your business, how to organize and lead a migration team, how we used Scrum in practice and what worked and what didn't work. Why flexibility is critical when things change quickly. What multi-cloud really means and how to avoid being locked into one provider. We will discuss what cloud exit is and why some companies are planning it from day one. These topics are not just theory. They come from real challenges I faced. I want to show you how different technologies and decisions work together in the real world. Throughout this series of videos, I also share practical insights that managers, architects, and team leads can use. It's not only about moving to the cloud. It's about making a good decision, reducing risks, saving money, and building a stable IT future. Please share your thoughts in the comments, your experiences, questions, or even stories from your own projects. I'll read for them all and use some of your input in future videos. This series is for professionals like you. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.